Polskie gesty, Polish gestures. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. W Polsce gesty są bardzo ważną częścią mowy. In Poland, gestures are an important part of a speech. If your friend is talking to you and you think he's telling lies, this is a sign that you use. Jedzie mi tu czołg. Jedzie mi tu czołg. Yeah, right. Do you see a tank here? Jedzie mi tu tramwaj. Jedzie mi tu tramwaj. Yeah, right. Do you see a tram here? If you want to tell your friend that you know he or she must be joking, this is a sign that you use. Puknij się w łeb. Puknij się w łeb. You must be joking. You must be kidding me. What are you doing? Puknij się w łeb. If you want to strengthen the previous gesture, then you use this one. The gesture underlines how improbable and crazy something is. Wyrośnie mi tu kaktus na dłoni. Wyrośnie mi tu kaktus na dłoni. A cactus would sooner grow on my palm. Wyrośnie mi tu kaktus na dłoni. Wyrośnie mi tu kaktus na dłoni. When you have a good friend and you meet him, you use this gesture. Żółwik, żółwik, żółwik. This is like high five. Żółwik, little turtle. Żółwik, żółwik. At school, Polish pupils, when they want to say something, they have to use this gesture. May I? May I? Polish people love alcohol. To show that someone is drinking too much, or to invite someone to go drinking, you use this gesture. Fancy a drink? Fancy a drink? You are drinking too much. You are drinking too much. When somebody is feeling nervous or your friend has an important exam coming up, say, trzymam kciuki. Trzymam kciuki. Good luck. This is like fingers crossed. Trzymam kciuki. Trzymam kciuki. Trzymam kciuki. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.